Some, any, and no in English. Some, any, and no are quantifiers. They indicate a certain quantity or indefinite quantity. They can also be determinants or pronouns. Other undefined quantifiers are a little more precise. Some. Some is used in affirmative sentences. It indicates that the name it determines has a real existence. I would like some sugar with my coffee. There's some pizza in the oven. Some can be used in a questioning sentence. One then expects a positive answer, or if one wants to convince the interlocutor to give a positive answer. Would you like some tea? Would you like some more information? Could you give me some water? Could you lend me some money? Some plus name can also be used to translate a certain or something vague. Some woman is asking for you. Some people are driving really dangerously. Some plus number equals about or around. He lives some 3 kilometers from here. Some can be used to express appreciation. He's some singer. That's some beer. Any. Any is used in negative sentences to indicate that the name it determines has no or perhaps no real existence. He doesn't have any friend. There aren't any eggs in the fridge. I didn't buy any. It is also used in interrogative sentences when it is not known whether the element to which it refers has a real existence or not. Do you have any family around? Have you seen any horses in this park? Did we get any mail today? Any can be used to make generalizations. Any student can do that. No. No equals to not any. It's used in sentences with a negative meaning, but with a positive verb. They have no alcohol here. There are no wolves here. Some expressions with no. No problem. No comment. No vacancies. No entry. Compound words with some, any, no. Somebody, anybody. Someone, anyone. Something, anything. Somewhere, anywhere. Nowhere. Nobody, no one. Nothing.